Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to have a little chat and talk to you about how to paint white flowers, and people panic when it comes to painting white flowers in watercolour. So I thought I'd just give you a run through. Now this painting was painted live. If you want to see the live with the full description of what I'm doing and stuff, and a bit of chit chat and lots of other stuff that was going on at the time, there is a link below. Just press the more button and it would take you to it. There's a link there. And so when I paint white flowers, I don't paint them white. I don't use white. I take advantage of the white paper and I paint the shadows, so you don't have to actually paint the flower. Now I usually just use a watery mix of a grey, whatever it is, on my watercolour palette. You don't have to worry too much about it being a bit muddy, or just really watered down to like shadowy grey colour. And I concentrate, I sort of paint the petals. Again, I just do it really loose, just drop in the colour into the shape of a flower, and I do blot out a lot. And also it's good when you're painting a white flower, make the centres of the flower quite detailed, and this like really gives you the picture of the flower, so you can like tell that it's a flower without having to paint all the petals the white. And also what is a good thing to do is use a dark contrast colour behind, like round the outside of the flowers, so you don't actually paint the white petals, you do like a negative painting, so you concentrate on the background. Here I'm just painting a white flower without a background, just to show you how to get like the shadows in and concentrating on the middle of the flower. I think that's all really to say about it. I'll let you just watch this, and then at the end of here there's some white flowers that I've painted in the past. There's some anemones and some daisies. I love painting daisies. There's lots of videos on my channel about how to paint white flowers, but just go and have a go. Don't let it don't get too worried about doing it. Just go and have a go, and might surprise yourself, and just let it flow and see what happens. Go and experiment. What's the worst that could happen, you know? Don't get caught up in it. Here again, I always like to add watercolour pencil to my paintings, so you'll see that and how I paint. I mean, the way you paint is completely you, so just use what I do as inspiration and experimentation and see what works best for you. White flowers are easy to paint. Just don't paint them, paint the shadows and the centres. That's the most important bit. Anyway, go and have a go, and thank you for joining me, and enjoy the little slideshow of stuff. I'm really good at explaining things, aren't I? Enjoy the slideshow of my past paintings, should I say, and flowers, and also go and have a look on my channel for any other white flowers that I've painted if you're interested, and this inspires you to go and have a go. Please just go and have a go and have fun and enjoy the moment. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. This is me and some daisies.